How to take off parental controls on phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can take off parental controls on phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to take off parental controls, which means digital well-being and parental controls, most of the Android phones already comes with this by default. So if someone has enabled it and then you would like to remove those, what you have to do is just go ahead and open settings, and inside settings you'll find something such as digital well-being and parental controls. Tap on it. Now if they have set a certain app timer or something like that, you can always go ahead and then disable them by simply tapping on it, and then you should be able to remove those from those timers. Or you can just go to settings and then make sure that you turn off digital well-being and parental controls to take off the parental controls that have been set up on your phone. This way you can take off parental controls on phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.